Dear fellow business owners, in this video, I'm going to explain the top 5 services that you should outsource for your childcare business. My name is Jayanthi Ganapathy. I'm the owner of FinAccurate. We are an accounting firm based in Boston, Massachusetts. We provide accounting, bookkeeping, tax planning, and tax preparation services to childcare businesses. So, here are the top 5 services that you should outsource for your childcare business to be successful. Number 1, operational consulting. Number 2, marketing. Number 3, payroll services. Number 4, bookkeeping services. Number 5, tax planning and tax preparation services. Now let's get to the details of what each one of these services mean and how you can get the help of an expert to help you with these services so you can run a successful childcare business. So let's get to it. Number 1, operational consulting. The number 1 struggle I see for childcare business owners is to fill their centers to full capacity. Instead of trying to do this on your own or expecting your teachers to come up with innovative ideas to help you increase your enrollment, I strongly suggest you hire an expert in this field to get the business training, tools, strategies, and resources that you need to get you from where you are to where exactly you want to be, that is to fill your center to full capacity. Number 2, marketing. It's becoming increasingly challenging and frustrating for childcare centers and educators to remain full when more and more centers and home-based daycare services are flooding our communities, especially in smaller regional and rural areas. I'm not saying it's easy, but we are talking about your business. Yes, you love working with the children, but you're also running a business, whether that is a sole proprietor running your family daycare from home or a community or a commercial long daycare center. You need to compete in today's growing early years market. So you have to stand out. You have to clearly show why you should be a parent or the carer's first choice to visit your center. But that's just the start. Getting them in the door isn't enough. You need to ensure you have an impression that not only welcomes but fills a cautious parent with confidence that their child will belong and thrive in this space, even though the parents cannot be with the children. That's the kind of environment you want to create. So that is why hiring an expert to in the marketing field help you implementing these strategies to increase your enrollment helps you tremendously. Number 3 is the payroll services. There are 3 benefits I want to talk about when it comes to outsourcing your payroll services. Number 1, it helps you focus on your daycare. You're able to focus on improving the care of the children who are in your care instead of spending your time on doing the payroll activities. So number 2, it helps you avoid mistakes. Especially with payroll, the errors can be very expensive. Payroll errors can be time consuming. It's very costly to fix, and it's a huge stress for a business owner from the beginning to the end. So from your busy schedule, you're likely to miss a deadline for either not reporting or missing a payment. That can cost you money in penalties and fines. Payroll penalties is one thing that as an employer you want to avoid, because this is one in the eyes of the IRS is not forgivable. Unlike income tax or other payments, this is one area IRS would not compromise on abating the penalties or the interest or anything like that. So this is one area you don't want to make any mistakes. So for that reason, hiring an expert in this field helps you tremendously. And the third benefit to outsourcing a payroll is it helps you adhere to the rules and regulations so you can stay on top of all of the changing federal and state requirements. The payroll service provider will take care of all of this so you don't have to worry about it. Number 4, bookkeeping. So outsourcing your bookkeeping helps you reduce errors and maximize accuracy of your financial records. You can take advantage of virtual bookkeeping services firm. You will have an expert team on your side who are trained to handle everything for your business when it comes to financial transactions and record keeping. You can also get detailed financial reports of your profit and loss and a balance sheet and explanation of what those numbers mean to you. So you can make smarter and more informed business decisions. And another major benefit comes with having an outsourced bookkeeping is your records are up to date. So when it comes to tax season, you have your full year of records ready to hand over to your tax preparer, so your tax returns can be filed on time without any errors. So these are some of the advantages of hiring an outside bookkeeper versus as a business owner trying to do it yourself. Number 5, tax planning and tax preparation services. So this is another area I often find business owners try to do it themselves, where they lack the skills and the knowledge to prepare an accurate tax return on the preparation side. And when it comes to tax planning, as a childcare business owner, you do not have that expertise to understand the tax laws and work it in a way that helps you save money. So with tax planning, with outsourcing a tax planning and tax preparation services, the experts will help you reduce your tax liability legally. So the reduced taxes, you can better use those funds which you would have otherwise overpaid in taxes to the IRS. So by having an expert to work on your tax planning and also preparation, you can avoid any legal issues, whether it's coming to non-filing, late filing, or inaccuracies in your filing. You can avoid all of that, and the resultant penalty comes with that, with those inaccuracies or non-filing and non-payment. So that's where an expert, outsourcing the tax planning and preparation to an expert, helps you as a small business owner, and especially in the childcare industry. If you want more details regarding any of the topics we discussed in this video, or any topic relating to accounting, bookkeeping, or tax planning services, please check out our website. The link is below this video. Again, my name is Jayanthi. I'm the owner of FinAccurate. We are an accounting firm based in Boston, Massachusetts. We specialize working with the childcare business owners like you. I look forward to talking to you.